Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel here on YouTube. I'm Rachel here with vicrez.com, and today we have a full frontal upgrade for our 2009 to 2019 Nissan 370z owners, drivers, and even those Nissan motorsport lovers of all ages. Although the excitement doesn't stop there, because even I am honestly really excited to show you all our Vicrez NISMO front bumper cover for your Nissan 370zs. Now, I've said it before and I'll say it again because we know that every NISMO feels like a NISMO with Nissan. So why not make your Nissan look like a NISMO with Vicrez? You can find this hot ticket item in stock, on shelf, and online now at vicrez.com as vz101715. But surely our inventory won't last long, as this iconic front bumper offers an exterior upgrade that is truly one of a kind. So think fast and act even quicker, because you could be one of the first to grab one and get it on the road too. Made to fit Nissan 370z vehicles that were manufactured between the years of 2009 to 2019, this front bumper offers a unique advantage outside of just a new cosmetic upgrade. vz101715 provides a stock fit for those Nissan 370zs needing an OEM fitted front end replacement. From normal wear and tear to auto collisions or even just those random freak accidents, this NISMO style front bumper will surely get your Z's back on the streets and will help save you some G's, which may just be useful to those looking for a completed NISMO conversion kit, since we also offer the NISMO rear bumper cover too. Sought after world round by Nissan 370z owners and drivers everywhere, this Nissan front bumper cover offers an opportunity for the upgrade of a lifetime. Unique only to Nissan and exclusively the NISMO, this front bumper holds true to the authentic appearance we have come to know and love. So for those who have a true need for enhanced aerodynamic design and low drag coefficient, plus serious downforce, without having to compromise for style at all, consider your needs met, matched, and even surpassed. The aerodynamic body style looks the way that it does for one simple reason: pure function. Painstakingly accurate in design down to every millimeter, helped to create a shape with massive downforce that will help you to hold the road tighter. This front bumper will create additional downforce that will help you as the driver maintain stability at very high speeds, as this 370z NISMO front bumper cover features a newly revamped and track-tested design. By combining the use of both 3D scanning and CAD data, we are able to capture engineering optimizations that ensure that our Vicrez parts will fit on your vehicle on the first try. However, Vicrez does recommend professional installation first and foremost by an accredited automotive body shop, especially before suggesting or recommending any DIY or self-installations. Please make sure to test fit all aftermarket products before they are painted, installed, or modified in any way. And as always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, stay tuned. We'll have more videos out soon. Just do yourself a favor and hit that like button below and head on over to our YouTube channel to subscribe. Make sure you are the first to get the 411 on our newest products. And for those looking to get the latest deals and discounts sent straight to your inbox, head on over to vicrez.com. Make sure you sign up for our weekly newsletter.